Hi, today I'm going to make this very pretty plant called Firecracker plant. Very easy to make. And very pretty to look at. Materials I'm using a green floral tape, some cotton wool, a thick wire for stem, a thin wire, and these are two colors of reds. This is like bright orangish red and this is maroon red. And then these are scissors which give you a serrated edge. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the bud which will be in maroon color. So this is 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter. This is of the petal. So this is 4 centimeter on the shorter side and 4.5 on the longer side and 1.5 at the base and 2.5 on top. And this is for the sepal, again in maroon color. So this will be 2 by 2 centimeters. So first for the bud, I'm going to cut a thin wire, a small piece of thin wire which is about 4 centimeters long, and take some wool, very little, take the wire and just fold it around on top, one end, take the piece for the bud, stretch it, apply glue, it becomes like this. Floral tape and wind it from the base of the bud till the end of the wire. Like so. Again I've cut a longer piece of the wire, thin wire, so this is about 8 centimeters long. Take the two buds, put them together like this, and just start winding it. First put the wire here also and winding it. Like this, just open them up a bit, separate them, like so. I've cut another small piece of thin wire, so this will be around 6 centimeters. Now take this piece for the flower, so I'll just make 4 cuts on it, as long as this, so this is about half a centimeter long, and 4 divisions. And then just snip off the corner of each. And then on the other side too. So you get 5 of these. So now I'll just curl these out. Apply glue on this part. fold it over like this and then just just stick the flap over on it. So this is how it will look. So I'll just take this flower again and put some glue on the base. Take the wire, insert a bit, and just close the ends. Just sort of twist it between your fingers. Like this. Now take the piece for the sepal. Take these scissors and just cut on one side. Stretch a bit. Apply glue. Again, kind of roll it. If there's a crease, you can just push it out like so. So this is how the flower would look. I've made another one same way. So now again cut a small piece of wire. This is again 8 centimeters long. So hold these two together just like I did for the buds. The wire. Just separate the two. So this is how the flowers would look. So I made about 15 pairs of these. So now just take a thick wire and some floral tape, long piece. Stretch it. So I'll start with the buds first. Just start winding and putting these. Like so, and then you can start attaching the flowers in the same way. So you just keep adding and attaching them one after the other. Don't leave too much of a gap between each branch. They're fairly close to each other. Like this. So I'll finish the entire flowers. So this is how it's going to look. Now I'll just open these out. And this is how it's going to look. A very pretty and easy to make firecracker plant.